If you want to test your checkout flow, you can do this by buying a free ticket for your event. Open the event and click Edit Event and Tickets from the left-hand menu. Then, scroll down to add a new free ticket type. You can keep the quantity of these tickets low if you'll only want to test it once or twice. Once the event has been published, open the event and add a free ticket to your cart, and then go through the steps to complete your order. After your order has been completed, return to the event summary and open Edit Event and Tickets. Scroll down to your list of ticket types and click Edit Ticket Type for the free ticket you've created. Under Advanced Settings, change the status to Hidden to ensure the free ticket type no longer shows on your public event page. When you're done, click Update Ticket Type to save your changes.